and welcome back, viewers. How are you doing today? We're back with another tekkit episode. I'm here with Harry as Hop yet again. How are you doing, Harry, today?
I'm doing. What are you doing?
I'm fine. I'm feeling good as well. We're doing okay. We still need to finish off this heart.
I'm making like the condenser, like the dust.
Oh, right, okay. Yeah, the Covalence dust. Have we got all the materials to make it?
Yeah.
Well, I'm gonna make the Philosopher's Stone. Make sure you keep one glowstone though, because I'm not going back to that laggy nether. Oh, damn it! I need a bit diamond. Oh.
Okay.
Right, there we go. Philosopher's Stone. Right, put that back. Okay. We need more diamond, don't we?
I think so.
Yeah, damn it. Okay, well, we'll come back to that later. But I'm gonna get going on the hut. While we wait for morning, I'm gonna start making the hut roof, because we are desperate. Nearly there. Okay, right. On this bit here is just temporary. Put the stairs. Good job these stairs don't go upside down like the tekkit light or normal Minecraft, because that is just annoying, isn't it? We've had so much annoyance from it, haven't we, Harry? You what?
On our chest.
Oh, what did you make a what?
On our chest.
Alchemical chest, excellent. Okay, well we're gonna have to get some more diamond, aren't we?
We're gonna need more diamond.
Yeah, that's what I said.
If you don't like me, I can make some more fuels.
Well, I'm busy doing the roof, and I think this is quite important. So why don't you go and head off and try and look for some diamond, maybe?
This is showing. Yeah. Maybe I'll go down later.
God, I've made this roof massive. Not to worry. Oh God, there's a creeper there. Hello there, creeper. Hello there, another creeper. There's a creeper right outside the mine, so just be aware and please try not to make it blow up.
Make some dark matter.
Make some dark matter?
Yeah.
What, have we got the materials for that?
No. Yeah.
Well, we haven't got enough diamond to make it, have we?
Yeah, but right as we get started.
Well, not yet, because we need the diamond for the condenser.
Oh no, I'm not going to go up to the diamond bit, I'm just going to get as far as I can.
Oh, right, okay. I was just going to say, like, we've only got 3 bits. Damn it, there's a creeper right outside the door. I'm going to drag it away. Come on then. Come on then, creeper. Sorry, you God. Come on then.
Wait, do you want any sand?
Sand? Oh, God! Damn it! There's 2 of them behind us. Well, 1 of them behind me.
How do you charge up stuff?
Yeah, I think you hold down, keep pressing V or Control V or something. What the? Where's all my stuff? Oh, right. Just collected it. Can't see it. I think that's all my stuff. Can't really. Hold on.
Well, I'm going to make some sand here, okay?
Yeah.
Right, it's a sand.
Okay.
Like windows.
Damn it, creeper. Damn you. Okay. Damn, it's a massive hole. We'll have to clear that up. What the hell? It's like a massive hole in the earth. What? Oh my god. Okay, I just fell through the earth. Oh my god, that happened to me. It keeps happening to me. Oh, pass me that thing. I didn't mean to. God, why is this being glitchy for? Hold on.
Well, I'm gonna make some sand here, okay?
Oh, what the? Okay. Sorry about that, viewers. We keep having lagging problems with our server, but I think it's alright now. Okay, let's get back going. Right, Harry, you can go and search for some diamonds for us.
Alright.
Sand. That was it. Oh, great! It's going dark. Fantastic.
I'll probably die down there.
Yeah, good luck.
There's only like 100 zombies down here.
Ow. No.
Dun, 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 dun. Right, this time,
Yeah.
go in, watch out. Just hope I can get some diamonds.
Yeah. I hope so too.
Did see from the other side though, but I never got to get it, remember? So
Sorry, you what?
Oh, there it is. Dun, dun, dun. How do we get to it?
Done the stairs wrong. Oh, no, I haven't.
Okay.
Right, okay. I've got the frame going. Just where I put down some stairs. Let us know on your status if you found it.
Oh! One just went to the well, I've got two.
Oh, you found some diamonds?
Yeah, because I remember seeing some, but I never got to get there.
Oh, right, nice, excellent. Thanks for telling us.
We did tell you, we never got to get to it, and now we made a path.
Excellent. Well, bring it back to the heart. There's no monsters in sight that I can see. Oh, damn, I'm gonna need some more stairs. Could do with one of these condensers, to be honest.
I'm on my way up.
Okay, good. Yeah, I'm out.
Dun, 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 dun. It sounds like it's. That's something in the last tekkit series. We made like a bed.
Yeah, we need some beds.
We had everything except a bed.
Yeah, we even make ultimate armor, but not a bed.
If you not take it is, then you're not good.
Yeah.
We were struggling to make a bed, but we couldn't make armor.
I know.
We're struggling to make a bed, but we can make armor.
Yeah, the best, like the best armor in the game.
Which I mean, you need a lot of stuff like red water. Not really but we had a lot of like stuff. We got you that portal thing where I come up.
Yeah, there's some in the chest.
Alright, okay. Well, I'm coming. I've got some diamonds.
Excellent. There you are. Are you like poisoned or something?
Yeah, no.
How did that happen?
I ate zombie flesh because I was hungry.
Oh.
That was a bad idea.
Yeah, I think it was too. Oh my.
So I'm making condenser. Okay, what's the obsidian?
Yes, coming on. Do you want me to make the condenser for you?
I've already got it. I've already got it.
Have you? Where?
I'm pretty much just putting it in the coffee table.
Excellent.
Boom, we got it.
Excellent. We should make another floor.
There you go.
Ah!
Show the viewers.
There we go, viewers. That is an energy condenser. If you do not know what an energy condenser is, it is a very special chest. Say if I take the diamond out. Say if I put a plank of wood in, right, and I get, say, a bit of steak, I'll swap it for it, and it condenses something for you. Like it's swap.
See the EMC?
Yeah, EMC at the bottom.
It says 12 on the, it says 64 on the stack.
Yeah.
That's how much it's worth.
Yeah, that's how much worth. So you like swap it, and wood is 8, so that means you get 8 pieces of wood. But yeah, it's pretty good. It's very helpful. Like, it saves you from like getting lots of materials. You could just like condense it. And also we are going to have to make a generator, even a giant diamond generator. That just does it for you. It gives you like 3 EMC, but they are very expensive to make. I think it's more expensive than quantum and armor, to be honest. Don't you think? Yeah, I made this roof so big. Yeah, we could definitely like make about 2 floors, I reckon. A creeper on its jod.
Yeah.
Some monsters.
We got a lot.
What? What's wrong? What's wrong? Cool. Speak up a bit. I can't really hear you much. Oh, that's better. What are you trying to make? Oh, Enderman. Enderman. Anthoer's fuel. Alright.
White fuel.
Yeah, I know what it is, yeah. You need a lot of Mobius fuel for that. Yeah. Oh. Bugger. Oh, are you kidding me? I'm out of stairs. Don't know how much wood we've used for this roof, but seriously, this is so big. Sorry if it's boring for you viewers, but so I'm not jumping down. I'm gonna make a crafting table here.
Oh, this is so hard to make.
Yeah, you do need a lot of materials. I just heard something blow up. I think. Not sure if there was actually anything that did. Please say I have enough. I probably have like 1 left to make. You sure you don't want me to make you anything? Because you know me, I do a little bit of researching, and I do how to make my old tekkit stuff. Oh my! Are you actually joking me? One stair! No! Out of the whole thing! Oh my! This always happens to me. I even told you guys that would happen. Oh god, dearie me. Okay. Oh, Harry, would you like to step outside? Because I have finished the hut. Nah. Oh, I think the doorway's kind of out.
Anyways, the thing is, one of that roofing and sapphire, I'm not going to take them, but there's going to be 1 left.
Yeah, make sure you have 1 left of everything.
The crap!
What? Spell placing.
I need like 20.
That's better. Oh, hey, what are you doing? What the? There you go, eat crap. Comment on what you think, viewers, on my hut. If you think I could improve on any way. We still need to add the glass in. But I think it's pretty good. Oh, Enderman incoming. But yeah, it took a lot of effort. So hopefully this hut's worth it, Harry. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna make another floor.
There.
Just gonna move that. You what?
How much EMC?
Is what? Crap. I swear I picked up that.
I'm gonna leave one of everything in the chest.
Yeah, always leave one of everything. The crap. Oh, there it is. Oh,
I
come
need
on.
2 blocks of diamonds.
2 blocks of diamonds. Well, I definitely don't have that. I have 1 bit of diamond.
I have 3 bits of diamond here. I'm
Alright.
trying to get as EMC as possible.
Oh, come on. I keep losing the connection. Like by Java extension.
You're still
Whatever.
videoing.
Yeah. But I think it's a good time to wrap up. Actually. But thank you for watching, guys. Please rate, subscribe, and comment. And we should be back with another episode on tekkit. But goodbye for now, and see y'all later.